I actually fired my entire ad creative team and replaced them with just one AI tool. I know that sounds a little crazy, but hear me out. This thing literally cooks everything. It writes the script, it creates the actor, and it edits the video and delivers the final ad, all in just few minutes. See, the traditional UGC ads are very expensive. They are even slow, and honestly, they are inconsistent. You have to wait for weeks for creators to deliver, and if the video isn't good, then you are stuck. But with this system, I can pump out 20 different ad variations before lunchtime. And the best part, brands using this approach are scaling past 6 and even 7 figures without hiring a single creator. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this, viral ads with Arcad's AI and how we can use the same system to replace an entire ad agency. So go to arcads.ai and then you can just simply go ahead and sign up. Once you do that, you will be on this page where you have to simply go ahead and click on new project. Once you do that, you will be on this page. So we have a bunch of different options to go with. The first thing is going to be the video generation types. So it depends on you what type of video that you want to make. For example, you can showcase your application, or you can just make any unboxing videos of your product, or you can simply make any kind of emotion or a gesture type of video. But for now, let's just go with the talking actors. And then comes the video generator part. This is where we are integrating the model, what type of video model that we're going to be using. The current one, the best one is going to be the Omni Human. Why? This adds emotion to the videos and it makes more videos like more natural. So we're gonna go with this one. Then comes the part of the whether you want to make a video from a text speech or a speech to speech. For example, like this, we will put in the script and it will make the video. And or we can just upload any audio and then it will also make the video from that audio. So for now, let's go with text to speech. And then is this important part, which is the actors. This is where we are going to select the actors that we think are best for the product that we are making this ad for. But for that thing, we need to first get the product, and then after that we will select the actors based on that product, because the product and the actor should match together. It should match the vibe, right? So let's go ahead and just select any product and then select any actor that matches with the product. Alright, so this is the product that we're going to make an ad for, and this is electric body massager with heat. So now since we have the product, let's go ahead and select the model as per the product. I think the ones that we can use for this product is going to be the females. As you can see, we have different type of filters that you can use, like age, order, situation, reactions, accessories, even skin tones. So I think I'm gonna go with female and then young adults, and then I'm gonna go with HD. I think HD is gonna take a little bit of time, but we need to use the best quality of ad. So I'm gonna go with this, I guess.
Hey you, welcome to Arcad.
Yes, I'm gonna select a couple of actors to go with to test out different variations. So yeah, let's just check this one.
Welcome to Arcads.
I like the voice.
I'm one of the natural AI actors
Okay,
to
two.
use for your ads.
Okay, so we're gonna go with these three. Okay, now we need a script. So I come up with the script. If you want to read, go ahead. But here I'm gonna add speech emotions. It automatically analyzes the script and then it adds the speech emotions. First, it's curious. It says sighs every night because she is tired. And then once she has electric body massager, then she's excited. And at the end, she's kind of firmly saying that go grab it before it sells out. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of play it first, see how it is playing with different characters. So we have to click on simply settings. She's Alexa. Let's play. Let's see how she's gonna say the script.
You guys, why did nobody tell me about this? Every night I come home with sore shoulders and back pain, and honestly, I'm too lazy to book a massage or spend dollars on spa treatments. But this electric body massager with heat is a total game changer. In just 10 minutes, it melts away tension and feels like a personal masseuse. It's super affordable too. Go grab it before it sells out.
I think the speed is fine. We can go with this stability or similarity or style exaggeration, but first I'm gonna check with other ones as well. Let me just play that.
You guys, why did nobody tell me about this? Every night I come home with sore shoulders and back pain, and honestly, I'm too lazy to book a massage or spend on spa treatments. But this electric body massager with heat is a total game changer. In just 10 minutes, it melts away tension and feels like a personal masseuse. It's super affordable too. Go grab it before it sells out.
I think we don't need to, touch different settings for now here. But you can if you want to think, if you think, you can just tweak a little bit settings like here and there. You can go ahead and do that. But for now, I guess it's fine. Go ahead and generate the video. So it may take a little bit of time, but I think we can wait. Now the generations are finished. Let's see how do they look. Let's go with this one.
You guys, why did nobody tell me about this? Every night I come home with sore shoulders and back pain, and honestly, I'm too lazy to book a massage or spend dollars on spa treatments. But this electric body massager with heat is a total game changer. In just 10 minutes, it melts away tension and feels like a personal masseuse. It's super affordable too. Go grab it before it sells out. You guys.
Well, I think it's good. It's perfect. Even she shows the gesture automatically. She's pointing towards her shoulder.
And honestly,
and I think that's gonna make it like more natural. It is natural, looks to me. So let's say another one. That is gonna be this one.
You guys, why did nobody tell me about this? Every night I come home with sore shoulders and back pain, and honestly, I'm too lazy to book a massage or spend her on spa treatments. But this electric body massager with heat is a total game changer. In just 10 minutes, it melts away tension and feels like a personal masseuse. It's super affordable too. Go grab it before it sells out. You guys,
Perfect. I think
why did
insane. I like this one is I think more accurate. It gives kind of proper emotions and I would say reactions and even showing gestures. I think I like this one. Okay, let's go ahead and just make the unboxing POV videos. We have to click on here and then select unboxing POV, and then it's gonna ask us to drop an image of or upload an image of a product. So I have a product image which is here, and then we can go ahead and choose the template. Where do you want to make this unboxing? I think for now I guess that should be in the bedroom, because when you are massaging it should be in your bedroom. Let's just find something or a table or something. Let's see, do we have any? I think this one is good. This one looks much similar. We can go with 2. I think yeah, let's go with 2. All right. Okay, we can go with this one as well. Kind of matches the vibe. Add templates, and let's go and hit generate. Okay, so videos are ready, so let's check them out one by one. Okay, the first shot is good. Even the design on the box and the color box is matching with the product itself, and you can see the product itself looks so realistic, and the hand gesture movements are completely top notch. I think it's best. I mean, I don't think we can even shoot this professional video and this quality even at home unless we're doing some kind of professional shootout, and that's gonna cost us a lot of money. And let's go with the second one. It has a voice as well, but I'm just kind of disabling the voice for now, just for the video. Okay, this one is a different vibe, but the right product. Okay, the cutouts in the box is exactly the same, and the motion, the transition between the clips are also good. I think so far so good, and I really like the results. Okay, the next part is going to be showcasing the product page. Since we have the product page screenshot as already, so we can utilize this feature, showcase your application, where you can attach any screenshot. For example, if you have an application or digital product or something, you can simply just upload a screenshot and it can make a video on that. And using this feature in your ads is gonna make your ad more authentic, and it kind of gives user great experience that, okay, this is a product page itself is going to look like. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on it and then attach the screenshot of the product or product page just on that. And then after that, we have to go for the actors as well. So I'm gonna be going with this one, and I think that one is also good. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I can go with anyone. For now, let's just go with these two, and then add actors. And then after that, just hit generate. Let's check the videos. This is gonna be the first one, and let's play. Wow, really, it's amazing. It's so realistic, and I think adding these clips in the videos in your ads is gonna make your ad more, more natural, and also it's gonna give you more sales as well. So this one was good. Let's go with this one. Pretty amazing. I mean, it has got every detail. Simply have to download the video, attach the clips, and that's it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach all of these clips together. I'm gonna be showing you the final video that I just made using all of these clips with some background music and everything. And yeah, let's see.
You guys, why did nobody tell me about this? Every night I come home with sore shoulders and back pain. And honestly, I'm too lazy to book a massage or spend her on spa treatments. But this electric body massager with heat is a total game changer. In just 10 minutes, it melts away tension and feels like a personal masseuse. It's super affordable too. Go grab it before it sells out.
So as you can see here, the video turned out to be so great. And I'm sure if we're gonna run this ad on TikTok or Facebook, we are definitely gonna get sales. And so making videos from arcads is super simple and it's easy. And as you can see here, we have like different number of variations we have tested. So we have different variations from different angles with different actors with different settings and different shots. We have the complete control over this, and we can just test out different things, and once we get good clips, and then we can attach them together and make a crazy ad, and which is really going to scale and make more sales on that product. So if you guys want to try this out, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can just go ahead and just sign up the account and then test it yourself. And with this platform, with this arcads, you can simply replace the entire ad creative agency. So guys, if you like the video, just drop a like and comment as well, and please subscribe to the channel as well. We are very close to 2,000 subscribers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.